Hi viewers, welcome to 5 Mantra, and we are going to discuss about Python, and already we are discussing something about Python, right? And right now what my question is, when I started my career as a fresher, okay, or a developer, like have some experience I have, now I want to change my career path into with the help of new language, okay. And when you want to do this, first of all you have to decide which language is suitable for that, okay. If you go with the language basics, you have a tremendous languages we have. It was object oriented programming language, function oriented programming languages, and so many things we have. And if you see in that list which language is suitable for next career, right, okay, which language should I adopt? Based on that my career will be bright, okay. This is the basic question we will get at runtime, okay. Maybe you are a database programmer or database or a network programmer or something like, okay, you are assembly language programmer or anything, okay. Already you have experience, like some years of experience you have. Now present environment, maybe your language may not be support, right? This is the big question we have, and we have to migrate from technology to technology, right? This is in the software environment. This is a common scenario we have to follow. Let us see which language is suitable for that, okay. And I suggested Python is the best, and why? I'll give the reason for that also. Okay, present environment, if you see that what type of environment we have, that is important thing. And next coming days you have to forecast yourself that next coming days what type of technologies will be placed in a IT environment, that we have to go, we have to analyze. If you see that in a type of programming languages, if you see that we have so many things like Java programming, C# programming, Lisp, and so many things we have. And in that, which language should I select? And in that we have a Python also, we have a Scala or something like some XYZ languages we have. Now still, what should I take, okay, which language should I adopt for my career? This is a very important question, right? Present environment, if you see that, okay, Python is a best for my programming environment, okay. As a programmer, if you select the Python, and with the help of Python, what I can do, that we are going to discuss. And basically, if you need anything, right, technology wise or anything, just follow our 5 Mantra website, right, and subscribe our channel, then you will get more notifications on present technologies and all. And just to follow, you will get a notifications, and by that you can get a clear idea about present scenarios and all, okay. Now we are going to discuss about the Python, right? Why need to learn Python? This is the important thing I have to analyze, right? Okay, whenever we go into the Python, it is a simple language, okay. It is a simple language and easy to learn. What kind of thing, what kind of easiness we have means, whenever we work with any programming language, syntax are very important, right? And if you see that basic programming languages like a Pascal or some old languages, if you see that syntax are different. And here some C, C++ and .NET programmings like Java, .NET programs like C# or VB.NET or something like, their language to language syntax are different, and it is very difficult to follow that rules also. So many rules we have, and this is one of the tedious thing to remember as a programmer, right? As a fresher, it is very difficult to adopt that syntax format, right? Here in a Python, it is a simple syntax we have, and it is follows the scripting language features. Like scripting language means, maybe you already work with the DOS operating system or Unix operating system. There, if you want to give basic activities, you have to go with the commands, right? Means it will be interactive. You will give the command, it will give the output, right? Same interactive mode we have in a Python. In that much simple we have, easily we can run any type of program, and the complexity was reduced in a syntax and implementation also, and so much new concepts was introduced in this, okay. And Next, if you see that Python main thing, okay, it is a very easy or not, it's not a matter, but the thing is, it is useful or not, it is an important thing. Okay, if I select this Python, next few years I can sustain in this industry or not. This is a very big question, right? Okay, and if you see that present environment, if you go with that data science, automation, big data, artificial intelligence, web development, and deep learning, like if you see that this total heuristic environment we have, right? See that big data, automation, artificial intelligence, data science, these are the present trending technologies, right? Python is used in a different environment like data science, automation, and so many things we have. These are the present trending technologies and environment we have. And these many technologies I can work with a single language. And this is a very important, right? Okay, if I learn Java programming environment, I cannot develop, okay, Java language, I cannot develop like machine dependent code, right? Machine independent code only I can develop. But here, this is a Python is available everywhere, not only forest. Okay, it is available everywhere in IT industry. If you learn Python, you can work in a data science also, automation also, big data, artificial intelligence, and web development. Web development, present environment is present, we are depending on web development, right? And that web development also be developed with the help of Java or something XYZ, PHP or something XYZ languages, right? But same thing we can develop with the help of Python. And we have a tremendous library files, frameworks we have. Just you have to use that library files. All are free library files. That is a very important thing. And just you have to download and you have to attach your application and you can run the program. And this is a mechanism we have, easy mechanism we have to use a Python, and syntax and semantics are very easy, and it follows the existing environment like object oriented programming environment and procedural oriented programming environment, like whatever the successful environments we have in a development paradigm, all programming paradigms will be supported by this Python. And whenever I develop any application, testing is very important. Now we are in a we are follows the development scenarios like not as like a waterfall or something, like it is a step-by-step process, right? But present environment we are following agile methodologies. Testing is a part of developers work, right? It is testing is a one important task has to be done. At least unit testing has to be done by the developer. Okay, that is integrated, that your testing process is integrated with your development environment. That is the advantage of this. Means present environment we have a third party tools we have to attach and we have to use, and we have to take the DLL files or library files, and it is somewhat complexity is there, and we have to use the wrapper class and all, right? It is not required. Directly you can use testing also. And whenever you want to develop a graphic user applications, it is different from environment to environment. Windows environment is a different graphic, and if you go with the Macintosh, it is a different, right? But if you go with the Python, same graphic programming concepts what we used in Windows environment and other environment also we will use. And means it is a portability maximum. What is the main important thing is Python. Why should I learn this Python is it is a portable and extensible. Means whenever I develop any application, okay, that application I can port into Windows, iOS, Unix, and so on. Any environment we want, that environment we can port, and I can extend my application with the existing legacy systems also. That is the advantage. Why? Because this Python is developed in using olden days concept, like we have two versions like 2.0 and 2.x and 3.x. We have 2.x is over, that is 2020, that is it is deprecated from the environment. Now 3.0, now 3.7 is there, okay, 3.7.6, like, okay, that version is existing, and that version is very much suitable for all environment, and it will work with all operating systems, all legacy environment whatever we have, like C, C++, COM applications, and that application also I can consume with the help of Python. Okay, and next present environment, whatever the things that programming environment, that all are available that programming I can do with the all paradigms like. Okay, this is the main advantages we have. And now in depth we will see that. And the most important thing is, when I as a developer, it is important thing is Python popularity and a high salary. Because once as a organization, if you select one person, that person knows the Python, that person can be work in any environment, no need to take the new developer. So highest paid people. And this Python is very simple, and only one thing is you have to implement your concept using these language features. Okay, and learning is also very easy, and will follow, just to follow our site, website and channel, then you will get a simple simplification of Python, and simply you can learn, and you can get the all resources of web resources on all, and how to install and all, that we are going to discuss in this way. Okay, now, and Python is a most if you search in Google or somewhere, okay, you will get most advanced means people are very much moving from existing programming language to Python environment. That was the main advantage of this. And competition is there, as well as requirement is also is there, right? Okay, and main important thing, as a programmer, you are a fresher, right? Not a problem. Without knowing any paradigm also you can start. Means as a fresher, once as a fresher, you need one language to enter into the programming. But basic thing is, you need to know operating system, you need to know data structures, and all these complex things you have to know before only. But here simply you can follow with the help of Python, no need to learn anything, just by step by step easily you can implement all language features with the help of Python. Okay, that is the main advantage of this. Next one is, if you are a developer, okay, already you work with the object-oriented programming environment. Now you want to learn new environment, you want to migrate into new environment. At that time you can go with the Python. Why? Because all whatever you learn, object orientation features are available in a Python also. It follows that paradigm. Okay, and no, I am from functional programming. Yes, it is also supported by this. Okay, Python. This is the more feature, means all features are included into this, and all programming features are included, and everything is followed. Okay, the paradigm with the help of Python programming languages. Now aspect oriented programming environment is also supported by this Python. Why? Because aspect oriented programming is defined that, okay, total programming will be divided into small modules, and each module will be do the separate business logic. This modularization will be done based on aspect, right, based on business rules and all. This type of environment is also supported by this Python. Okay, means present a new, it is the best fit for new environment, right, present and existing environment as well as new environment. And the next one is language have so many features. In that one feature I'll explain, that is a dynamic type system. What is a dynamic type system? If you see that, when I work with any programming language, first of all I have to mention with the data type, right, data type and variable name. It is very important. Okay, and then means statically we are defining a variable type. Okay, statically before compilation only we are defining that. Okay, what is the variable type, right, based on your this data type, the type of the variable will be defined. But in Python, this is a dynamic we have. For example, if you see that one example I will show, just see that. Yeah, now when you see that in a Python, we have a greatest feature, that is a dynamic type system. When you type any variable, that variable has to be declared with the data type. But in a Python, we never give the data type explicitly. Now see that, now I have a variable that is a number equal to, now this is a 12 I given. Now if you see that, what is the type of the num will be, just to see that, num, my variable name is num, and if you see that there is a class is integer, means we are not explicitly specified that num type is a integer, right, but when I given a data, that based on the data that num type will be defined but dynamically. This type system is implemented in a Python. Now once again another observation we will do that same variable I have, that is a 12.5. Now if you check with the type is the my function, it will give the data type at runtime. Now my variable name is num, then if you see that, that is a float. Simple, right? Now once again I work with the num equal to, I will give some text variable like query, something like, okay, query I given. Now just if you check with the type function, predefined function it is, okay, my variable name is num, and if you see that, that is a str class. Now just this is the important feature we have in a Python. With the help of this feature, okay, the type of the variable will be defined dynamically by the interpreter only at runtime. Okay, at runtime which data you are given, based on that the data will be based on the data, the type of the variable will be defined. Okay, if it is an integer, if you given a 12, the type is integer. If it is a if it is a 12.5, the type is a float, and now if you given a string, the type is a str. And if you see that all are implemented with the help of object oriented programming. When you say something is object oriented programming, memory is allocated with the object. That memory we called as a heap memory or a logically infinite memory, right? That in memory will be automatically managed by garbage collector. That is also we have in a Python, right? This is the means whatever the great features we have, that features are implemented. Once again you can ask one thing, but boss, I want explicitly, I want to memory management, right? You can do the memory management with the help of simple function. Okay, that function is a simple one. See that is nothing but a del, and if that function name is del function, and here I want to delete num. Simple. Now this is if you see that, that is deleted. Now once again I'll check with the type whether it is available or not. Now we'll check with the type. Okay, the type is my variable name is num, and just check it. There is no name, num is not defined. Why? Because already I deleted this with the help of del. Means automatically memory management is there, but explicitly you want to manage the memory, that is also done with the help of simple functions. So many predefined functions we have, huge functionalities we have. All functions are available in freely, and one source we have, that is indexed with in one website. That website is available. From there you can get all packages and library files into your application, and you can work with that. That is also one of the greatest feature. And where that packages are available, that we'll check. Okay, and yeah, just we discuss about the dynamic type system, how it was done, and memory management is also done by the say explicit function, that is a del, and automatically that memory management is done by your Python. That is also means as a programmer no need to concentrate on internal things of the programming language, just you have to reuse that. Means already so many things we have, just you have to reuse. Means here what you want to give to the program end user, that if you know that, then easily you can implement with the help of existing library files and packages. Okay, that is the advantages we have. And one of the greatest feature we have, that is this Python is developed with the help of C language, and means it supports the legacy systems also. Like I developed one application with the COM, I developed with the application with the core bar, something like XYZ, old legacy systems. Okay, that application I want to use, and I want to extend that application, means it is also possible with the help of this Python. Okay, No, already we discussed. Already I said this Python have so many library functions and many things we have that we can use. Right? If you see that Python, if I want to develop a web application, Django, Flask, Pyramid, and Bottle, and Cherry Py, like so many library files. These all are packages are available, and you can download and you can use and you can develop the application. And if you go with the GUI application I want to develop, right, best GUI application you can develop with the help of these existing thing. Which one is suitable for you, which one is good for you, right, which one is understand very better, you can choose one thing and you can develop any application like graphical user interface application like Windows applications. Okay, like, and now I want to develop the data science and an analytical applications, like you can go with these applications are available with the help of different packages, NumPy, Scientific Pi and Pandas, Metaplot, lib, and Seaborn, Bocage, and Plotly, and so many things we have. Okay, these functions you can, these library files packages you can use, and where these packages are available, where these library files are available, it is a very important, right, and these are free, and it is a open source framework and tools are available, right. Remember this one, open source, it is a Python supports the open source, and the tools are all are available in a open source only, right. You can consume that automatically into your application without cost, right. And this now where these source files are available, that we'll see, just check it. And when you want to get the source file, just we'll see in a website, okay, that source files are available with the Python package index, Python package index, PYPI, which is nothing but a Python package index that is maintained by this Python group, and there you will get all library files. Now just we'll check and we'll use that one, right. Now we'll enter the website, that is the PYPI. PYPI is nothing but a Python package indexer, that is org, extension is org, just enter into that, then you will get all packages list here. Okay, and from that you can just, you have to download and copy that, and you have to use in your system. Okay, now I want to work with the pandas, right, or anything like yeah, I want to work with the pandas, pandas. This is the one important packages, okay, which is used in data science and all, and this pandas, see that these all library files are whatever the versions, different versions library files are available, packages, which one you want to use, that you have to select. For example, I want to select the basic thing like 2.0 or 0.21, just if you select that, automatically one package installer is there, Python package installer, and automatically it just you have to copy, and it will copy, and you have to use that one into your system. The how it will be used, that next session will explain. Just to follow our website and our channel, based on that you will get all details about Python and other programming languages. Okay, thank you. Subscribe our channel to keep notifications, right. Thank you.